It is the USB-C CC resistor fixer. Cable to this to gizmo. Two little resistors on here say to the CC lines, hey, I want 5 volts, please, and it will get the 5 volts, send that along over power and ground. Just looking up at the top here, it says 51% full. I've got a little battery gauge there. It's yellow. I'll go ahead and plug in my cable. It didn't ask for anything. This has not moved to any sort of a charging symbol. If I take my little CC fixer and plug that into the cable, you can see, first of all, if this lights up green, that means that, yes, we are successfully negotiating the 5 volts from the supply. And now when I plug this into my handheld, you can see it has switched to a charging symbol. Yay! The USB Type-C CC resistor fixer.